Structure overview. Part 1. The Mindset Glow Up. Part 2. Body Language and Presence. Part 3. Personal Style and Vibe. Part 4. Social Skills that Pull People in. Part 5. Energy, Passions, and Ambition. Part 6. Things to Avoid. Hey you. Yes, you. Scrolling, searching, wondering, how do I become someone people can't stop watching, listening to, admiring? Here's the truth. Being mesmerizing and attractive isn't about how you look, it's how you carry your light. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to become the kind of person others are drawn to, without changing who you are. Let's get started. Part 1. The Mindset Glow Up. This is where 90% of people get it wrong. They chase looks, followers, filters, but forget. Your vibe comes from your mindset. Stop thinking, I'm not enough. Start thinking, I'm becoming better every day. Write this down. Confidence is a skill, not a personality trait. Tips. Use daily affirmations. Speak kindly to yourself. Visualize your highest self. What does that version of you do each day? Part 2. Body Language and Presence. Imagine someone walks in, doesn't say a word, but everyone notices. That's presence. How do you build it? Make eye contact, not stare. Relaxed posture, not stiff. Small smile. Confident, not desperate. Speak slowly, calm equals power. Challenge. Go one day being 100% aware of your body language. Hidden tip. Watch your breathing. Calm breath equals magnetic vibe. Part 3. Personal Style and Vibe. Style is silent language. You don't need expensive clothes to have great style. Build a signature vibe. Are you soft and dreamy, dark and edgy, artsy and creative? Match your vibe with your clothes, colors, accessories. Tips. Pick 2 to 3 favorite colors. Accessorize smartly. Keep your look clean, confident, and you. Skincare and hygiene equals attractiveness boosters. Mini segment. Do a quick lookbook idea, or describe how to build a style V mood board. Part 4. Social skills that pull people in. Being attractive isn't just about looks, it's about how people feel around you. Being attractive isn't just about looks, it's about how people feel around you. Want to be unforgettable in conversations? 1. Use their name. People love hearing their own name. 2. Ask better questions. Go beyond, how are you? 3. Listen with your face. Nod, smile, react naturally. 4. Compliment uniquely. Not just, you look nice. Try, you have great energy. Don't overshare. Mystery is magnetic. Be open, not loud. Challenge. Try to make 3 people smile in one day, through words or energy. Part 5. Energy, Passions, and Ambition. You want real attractiveness? Be obsessed with something. Whether it's art, music, coding, dance, fitness, books, passion gives you an aura. When you care deeply about something, it shows, and people feel it. Energy is contagious, so build the kind of life that excites you. Mini activity. Write down 3 things you love doing. 1 goal for the next 30 days. Your glow up begins the moment you start showing up for you.